Today I'm going to teach you how to change tire in very simple way. First of all, we have to take the spare tire and all the accessory needed for that tire change. First, we need this jack to jack up the car and this wrench to open the nut. And I'm gonna take out this cover first, tire cover first. So of our car, and we need the wrench to open our nuts, and we need to open this tire cover first. So yeah, this is come out. So I'm gonna lose the nut first, because when you jack up the car, you can't use the excessive force. It might car might get go down. So I'm losing the nut first. So always remember, we have to go the anti-clockwise to open the nut. I'm first losing all the knots, all 5 knots. So it have to go the anti-clockwise to lose the knot. So yeah, I'm using my foot, so it will be easy to open the knot. Yeah. I'm jacking up the jack now in the chassis. Always remember, we have to put this thing on the solid metal under here. Yeah. So we are nearly there. So I just want to show you the close look, how the jack should be. So yeah, jack should be all the way straight. Yeah, so this is what you have to make. All right, so yeah, it's all done. So I have already loosened this knot, so I'm just taking this off. Okay, here you go. So take this tire off and place this one. Put this knot back on. Just do the hand tight as much as you can. And I'll do this thing. Yeah, always do it like this. Okay, once you tied this with hand, then you can go down, put your jack down. Yeah, now easy to do with the hands. Yeah, it's all done. I'm putting this tire cover back.